Hello, welcome to Boss Digit class. Today we will talk about greetings and introduction for grade 10. This is the summary of this lesson. First, we say a greeting, for example, hi, and then we introduce ourselves or we introduce another person. Then the other person would respond, right, to us. And we then not only introduce our names, but ourselves, our hobbies, our jobs, where we go to school, our hobbies, etc. And then we listen to their response, the people who we are talking to. Okay, let's start one by one. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 steps to this. Okay, greetings. What are some ways to say hi? Did you know there is more than one way to say hi? So we can say hello, hi, or hey, informally. Hi there, howdy, right? Hey, what's up? What's going on? How are you doing? How's it going? How's everything, right? Okay. Now, after we greeted the person, we say hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Then we introduce ourselves. So there is a more formal way of doing it, and there is a less formal way of doing it, right? So, for example, a formal way would be, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Andrew, for example. Or, hi, I'm Andrew. Hello, my name is Andrew. Okay, you can try. You can try introduce yourself. Try to introduce yourself. Maybe you can pause the video and try to do it yourself, right? And the other person will respond, right? What are the examples of some responses? Hi, glad to meet you, Andrew. Hi, Andrew, how do you do? Nice to meet you, Andrew. It's a pleasure to meet you. Pleased to meet you, Andrew. This is a very formal way of doing it. Pleasure to make your acquaintance, Andrew. Right? Okay. Now you can also pause the video and practice some of your own responses. Okay. So we're not only introducing our names, right, everybody? We want to talk about ourselves, to introduce ourselves, what subjects we like at school, what our favorite movies are, and why, right? And then what are our majors, right? What is our major? What are the sports that we like? What are our hobbies, right? So, for example, hi, my name is Andrew. I come from Indonesia. If you are meeting someone else from a different country, I'm from Indonesia. Or I live in Jakarta if you're meeting somebody who is from another city. I'm your age, right? I'm 12 years old. I'm 13, 14. I'm 30 years old. Talk about your family, right? And I'm in high school right now, and my favorite subject is math or music or art, right? Or I'm in university, and my major is accounting. I major in accounting, right? In my free time, I love to watch movies, right? Talk about your hobbies. My hobbies are watching movies, reading books, and, for example, jogging or playing tennis or playing badminton, right? I like action movies. I like horror movies or drama movies, right? Comedy movies. My favorite singer or band is so many things. There are many, many, many things that you can talk about yourself. Or if you're introducing another person, right? You can also introduce that person too. All right. Now, besides introducing yourself, you can introduce other people. Again, there are more formal ways of doing it, and then there are less formal ways of doing it. For example, hello, I would like to introduce you to my friend, Daniel, right? Hi, let me introduce you to Abdul, my friend, right? Allow me to introduce Joko, my friend. So this is the less formal way, the informal way. So for example, your friend's name is Peter, and then you want to introduce your friend Peter to your other friend, Jenny. How do you do that? You say, Peter, Jenny, meaning Peter. Hi, Peter, this is Jenny. And hey, Jenny, this is Peter, right? You get it? You understand? So for example, Peter, Jenny, Jenny, Peter. That's a very informal way of doing it, but it's cool. Anyway, so this is the summary. So the first is you greet the person you want to say hi to, you want to introduce yourself to. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, hello, or hi, what's going on? Hey, what's up? All right, the less informal, the more informal way to say to greet yourself. I mean, to greet the other person, and then you can introduce yourself. Hi, my name's Andrew. Well, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Andrew. That's the formal way of doing it. Or have you met, if you want to introduce another person, your friend, for example, your friend Tono, for example, right? Hey, have you met Tono? All right. And then the other person will respond, right? The response is, for example, oh, hi, Andrew. Thank you for introducing yourself. Hi, Andrew. Glad to meet you. Pleased to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Or if you were introducing your friend Tono, for example, have you met Tono? Oh, no, I haven't met him yet. Hi, Tono. All right. And then not only do we introduce ourselves, our names, but we also talk about ourselves, or we talk about the other person that we want to introduce, right? So for example, hi, I'm Andrew. Hello. And I'm from Indonesia. If you're meeting a friend from another country, right? Or my hobbies are writing my diary, writing in my diary, reading books, watching movies, watching YouTube, etc. Okay, and then the other person you're talking to would respond, right? Oh, my hobbies are. Oh, I also like reading too. What's your favorite book, for example, right? Okay, so this is the steps here. First, you greet, then you introduce yourself, then you wait for the response from the person you're talking to, and then you talk about yourself. Not only introduce your name, but talk about yourself. What are your hobbies? Your family, your personal information, right? What you like and dislike, etc. And then you wait for the response. Okay. Yeah, you can pause the video here and try it yourself, right? All right. So for example, you do the greeting. You greet. Ready? Do it. Great. Okay. And then what? You introduce yourself. Try to introduce yourself. Okay, do it. All right. And then I will respond, hi, nice to meet you. Your name? Nice to meet you. And then you talk about yourself. Come on. I'm going to give you more time to do this. Do it. Talk about yourself. Your hobbies. Where do you go to school, right? Your favorite video game. Come on, do it. Okay. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay. Now I'll respond, hi, I love reading too. I love reading too. I love playing football too, right? Or my hobbies are swimming and watching comedy YouTube channels, right? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much for learning this lecture about greetings and introducing self or others. Goodbye.